This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at haynes.com.
Shock absorber, coil spring assembly, rear, replacement. Block the front wheels. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. First, unlock and flip forward the back seat. Then pull back the corners of the seat bottom to expose the bolts holding the seat back side trim panels. Remove the bolts, then pull the side trim panels out. Using a trim tool, gently pry up and remove the rear bulkhead cover, releasing it from the 4 clips. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting nuts. Do not remove the nut in the center. Remove the nut from the upper end of the stabilizer bar link and separate the link from its mount for additional clearance. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Pull or carefully pry the rear knuckle down and remove the shock absorber coil spring assembly. Guide the new or overhauled shock rear assembly into the fender well. Insert the upper mounting studs through the holes in the body, then screw on the upper nuts so the assembly won't fall downward. Install the shock lower mounting bolt. Install the stabilizer bar link and tighten the nut to the specified torque setting. Tighten the shock lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Tighten the shock upper mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts, then safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Unblock the front wheels. Install the rear bulkhead cover, pushing the retaining clips firmly into place. Install the side trim panels and secure them with the retaining bolts.